IIT main IIT main 2021 question of the chapter chemical bonding. Let's see how to solve. This chapter here is about the resonance, and in the resonance, whenever you have to draw the resonance, or the question is about the resonance, how to draw the resonating structure. Wherever there will be pi bond formation, that from there may be dissociation of bond, that is only pi bond. And wherever there be the lone pair of electron, those lone pair of electron will involve in bond formation, and that is pi bond formation. So let's see. In SO3 sulfur, like this one, so one canonical structure will be here sulfur double bond oxygen, here in the same way when this will come here, now this pi bond will come here for double bond formation, बार बार गलती कर देते हैं. IIT main 2021 question about the resonance of the chapter chemical bonding. Let's see. It is asking in these species which have one pi bond and maximum number of canonical forms from the following. That will have one pi bond and maximum number of canonical forms. That means number of resonating structure will be maximum, and there should be only one pi bond. In SO2, there will be this one will be the structure of SO2. Now, in this case, this lone pair of electron will come here for double bond formation. This oxygen will attract that bond electron. So that will be sulfur here. Third resonating structure can also be formed. What? Then from initially this has came here for double bond formation, and there was double bond. Now this electron will come here and this oxygen will attract. That means this lone pair of electron come here for double bond formation, and this oxygen will attract that pi bond. So here sulfur double bond oxygen, here will be also double bond, and here single bond. So in this case, SO3, in case of SO3, there is 2 pi bond and 3 canonical structure. Now second part, first one was this, second O2. In O2, there is 1 pi bond, but there is no canonical structure. In this SO3, 2 pi bond and 3 canonical structure. In ozone, 1 pi bond but no canonical structure. Now third, SO2. SO2 structure, sulfur here, double bond oxygen, here single bond oxygen. One thing you will have to keep in the mind, that here in this sulfur and oxygen, the electron of only sulfur will involve in the bond formation and not of this oxygen. 1 pi bond, and here this lone pair of electron will come here for double bond formation, this pi bond will come. So here will be single bond, here double bond. So canonical structure will be sulfur here, double bond oxygen, here single bond oxygen. Here 3 lone pair of electron, and here 2 lone pair of electron. So here what happened in SO2? SO2, one pi bond and two canonical structure. Okay. Now let's see about CO3. CO3 2 minus. In CO3 2 minus, what's here? Carbon double bond oxygen here. 2 minus means there will be, whenever there will be minus, minus means there is that much extra electron. Wherever there is plus, that means that much deficient electron. So how to draw the structure? This will come here for double bond formation, this oxygen will attract. So carbon here, double bond oxygen, here single bond, double bond as single bond as usual. Now what happened next one? This one will again come here for double bond formation as usual. That was came here. So this will come here for double bond formation. This oxygen will take the electron. So same structure. Now if this will come here for double bond formation and this will take. So what will happen? Carbon here, double bond oxygen, here as usual negative charge, and here single bond. So three canonical structure. So in carbonate ion, what happened? Carbonate ion, one pi bond and three canonical structure. So let's see which condition is fulfilling. A three resonance structure but two pi bond. That's why SO3 will not. Ozone, no canonical structure. Number of canonical structure will be 0. C will be here 2 1 pi bond and 2 canonical structure is here 2 and here 3. That's why D will be the answer. Okay guys, because the demand of this question was there must be 1 pi bond and max should have maximum number of canonical structure. So carbonate ion was fulfilling this condition. So that's why D will be the correct option. Okay. Now meet with you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.